How to buy KFC gift card. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser you want. Now on the search box, search for Buy KFC gift card. Then from here, you want to click on KFC gift card option. Once you click on this website, another page is going to open up. Now on this web page, first you want to sign into your account. For that, click on the sign in option. Then here you want to enter your phone number. If you have not created your account, you can create one as well. After entering the phone number, click on send me a code option, and after the verification, you will be signed into your account. You can also click on skip continue as guest if you do not want to sign into your account. Then to create your KFC gift card, scroll down, and the first thing you have to do is to select your gift card amount. So from here, you want to select your gift card amount. Then over here on the information tab, you want to enter the recipient's email. After entering that, enter your name. Then you want to enter your email. After entering your email, enter your phone number. Then you can also type in a personal message for the person that you're sending the gift card to. Once you have typed in the message on the gift card, you can click on the continue payment option. Then from there, you will have to enter your payment method. Enter all the credentials for your payment method. If you are using your credit card, enter your name as in the card, then your credit card number, your CVV number, and the expiration date. Once you have added the payment method, you can now place the order for your gift card. Then in 3 to 5 business days, the gift card will be ready and it will be sent to the person's email that you have just written if it is an e-gift card. And this is how you can buy a gift card of KFC. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.